Okay, so I haven't posted a video for about a week. As for Flock, what we've been doing is that I've almost done with pretty much all the features and any necessary implementation in it. There's a couple of things here and there I have to do, but right now I've paused Flock for a very good reason, which is I am trying to contact RMIT right now and get some data from them. Uh, my plan is to get down all the courses and speak to RMIT's Activator team. For those who don't know what Activator is, it's a group of people in a department in RMIT that focuses mainly on helping individuals start their businesses. So I'm planning to speak to them and to get the necessary permission, contacts of those who I can ask for the necessary data. So that's the phase where I'm at with Flock. So there's not much coding or much development at the moment for Flock. But I do have another issue. Recently, I passed the first stage of interview, and I went into the second stage of interview for a technical role, a software engineership role at a trading firm. But the issue is that I failed at the technical interview pretty horribly. For those who don't know what a technical interview is, it's a phase of recruitment for software engineering roles where your employer would give you some sort of a question and you try to solve that question by implementing a computer science algorithm in your preferred programming language. An example would be something like this. So you can see how you're given an array, a list of numbers. What your duty is to rotate the array by the right by k, where k is a non-negative integer. Rotate as in just shift it to the right hand side. So you'd be using a programming language of your choice and also some sort of an algorithm. Now, the thing is that these algorithms need to be efficient when you code it. So they should not take too much memory. They should not take too much time. An excellent example for those who are not familiar with what a technical interview is, if I were to tell you calculate the product of 3 and 5, the most efficient method you could do it is just put 3 times 5 into your calculator and you'd get the answer. But that's not the only answer. You could also do it 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. You can do that 5 times. That would also get you the same answer. Now, you can see how the difference in terms of time becomes very important, significant when you do something like 3 times 125 between the two methods. So that's kind of the idea of a technical interview. You're given a problem and then you expected it to solve it with an algorithm in the most efficient manner where you don't use a lot of time and you don't use a lot of memory in your computer or space, as we as computer science students call it. So obviously I suck at the technical interview. They gave me 4 questions and I was only able to do 2 of them. The other 2 I couldn't really do it. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to do 10 questions minimum a week. And the way I'd space this out is I'd do 2 questions a day for 5 days a week. Once again, this is minimum. If I have more time, I'd do it. And I'd give 25 minutes per question. And within that 25 minutes, I have to solve the question. I have to explain its time and space complexity. If I don't solve it within that 25 minutes, then I can take a look at the best solution, implement it on my own, and then again explain the time and space complexity. So that's 2 questions a day for 5 days a week. That would give me about 10 questions a week. The idea is so I have somewhat of a basic knowledge on this entire, algorithms and structures and all this stuff. So I'm planning to straight away start with the top 150 interview question in LeetCode. For those who don't know, this is a popular library or a set of questions where most of the tech firms ask in their technical interview. So they've gathered the top 150, all ordered in easy to hard, but also grouped with things like array and strings, 2 pointers, sliding windows, matrices. These are concepts in computer science. So I'll be going through these. So there's 150 questions. My target is to get this done in about 15 weeks, which is about a little less than 4 months. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be posting for a while now. And if I get an update on Flock as well.